Hi, my name is Perry Tobin, and I'm from this Seattle, Washington area. How did I initially learn about the program? I'm trying to think. It's been about a year, a little over a year, about a year and 3 months, I think. And I don't know, I was flying home one day from my son's house and just doing some research online, and I found Joe's blog, so I just went through it, and I thought, wow, this sounds really great. So I tried to get started immediately. I liked the idea of not having to use any of my own money, so the zero down investing aspect of it was what really appealed to me, because I didn't want to put up any more of my own cash I've been investing in property for a couple of decades, but I just didn't really want to, have to put up any more of my own cash. I just got my first deal in December. I got a lease option memo signed in December, and I found a buyer almost right away, within a couple of weeks, but the deal sort of hit a road bump. Do you want me to go on and explain?
Yeah.
Okay, so I had everything pulled together, the contracts were all signed, and the house got vandalized on December 23rd, and so the buyer got spooked and she backed out on the 24th. And so anyway, it's taken a few 2 to 3 weeks to get the windows fixed and the spray painting fixed, and I had another buyer, but it doesn't look like that's going to go through. But I'm pretty confident it'll sell pretty quickly, because it's a really cute little house. Well, how do I expect it to play out? I am just trying to step up my marketing efforts for buyers. I'm calling some of the older leads. When I thought I had it sold, I didn't contact any of the buyers that had contacted me, so I'm going back and scraping through my old leads to try to see if I can get somebody on board. Well, I want to amass, what are my goals going forward with real estate? I already have several rental properties that I've invested in over the last 20 years or so, and I want to do more. I have 4 rental properties, 1 duplex, and I'm a partner at a storage facility, but I would like to get more single-family homes. I think it'll be great. My mom is aging. I want to spend time with her, and she lives relatively far from me, so I don't want to have to keep taking time off from work. I also have grandchildren that I want to spend time with, and my son, and so I don't want to miss that. I really am looking forward to being financially independent so that I can do those things. Follow the process. Do what Joe says, because he knows what he's talking about, for sure. What he says works. You have to be willing to put in the work, and that's been a little bit difficult for me in the past year and 3 months, because of some of the things that I've been through. But nevertheless, I'm getting there. And that's my advice. I think really you just need to put one foot in front of the other and follow the program. It'll work.